What two things need to be true before I can do any kind of solving? Equals 0. Good. Well, when x is alone, that's when I know I'm done solving. GCF. Equals 0, GCF, greatest common factor. So let's check that for these ones. Okay, on number 1, it already equals 0. I'm good, right? But what am I going to have to do first on number 2? Add the 4 over so one side equals 0. Okay, now we're going to review all 4 types of solving today. So solve each equation on this one by completing the square. That's the one you guys usually like the best. That's our vertex form, our extra box. Okay, so I'm going to start by drawing my extra box, putting in my x squared. What's next? Good. Cut the negative 10 in half, and I get negative 5x. Okay, so x minus 5, x minus 5. Now, negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. And I got to figure out, how do I get from 25 to negative 24? Good. Minus 49, Tyler. Good. Now, if I ever want to double check to see if I did it right, you can just always do 25 plus the minus 49. And if I get negative 24, then I did it right, okay? So then I set up my vertex form. Everything I'm doing right now is what was review from last class and the last 3 months, right? Okay. Now we're going to review the solving part. So when I solve, that means I want to get x alone. So I need to start undoing everything, right, around the x. I start by getting rid of everything that's not squared. So when I say that, what am I asking you to do? Get rid of the 49. Add the 49. Good. Now what? Square root, good. So x minus 5 equals the square root of 49, which is what? Is 7 the only square root of 49? Plus or minus 7. Anytime you square root, you have to plus or minus. This is the biggest mistake you guys will make on this, is you do your plus or minus at the end, but it doesn't happen at the end. It happens when you square root, okay? Then I'm going to add my 5. So x equals 12, and x equals negative 2. I'm going to walk around, but I want you guys to take a second with your neighbors, and I want you to try solving number 2. Put it into vertex form.